When we last left off, we were discussing some work that need to be done back here. Beautiful garden. That's true. That's true. She was laying here. She's a little meanie. But we got them eggs. We got them eggs. Alright. Continue. Little box of stuff. Little mini trees. Nice little shady spot to sit. And all of beautiful little things. Yeah. Jump ups have all went away. We got this ivy, some more fernage. We got the hidden bike. A little overgrown this year. Something to work at. Privacy fence. That's where we hang cool stuff for the birds. And got my Chinese maple. There's a bird for the robins and orioles to come eat jelly. Ooh. Little simple hack for the jellies. All kinds of different hostas that would come through. This is a big yellow flowered bush in the springtime. I broke my gate kicking it open this winter with all the snow. But through the arbor, this is our little crabapple tree. All kinds of phlox come up there, purple colored flowers. And more bird bath and decor. Back on yonder this way, we got this beautiful red bush, the bird feeding station. We got the pit, which needs to be burned. It's been raining though. In the center here we have lilacs, which are finishing up. And they do originally have this all beautiful aroma flower on them. Yep. This was a little fountain where it comes up between the rocks, but it has not been going for the last couple of years. And just check out the size of the head of this flower. It is pretty. Oh, last thing, mini cherries. Yeah, buddy.